Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Again, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will be replacing the front struts and rear shocks on a 2015 Chevy Equinox. Okay, so the struts that I'll be installing are these Master Pro struts from O'Reilly's, and these are the complete assemblies. And I say complete, they come with the spring already installed. Now you can just purchase the strut itself minus the spring. And you can save, some money there, but you're gonna have to purchase a spring compressor and compress these springs, and that in itself is pretty sketchy and can be very dangerous. So I opted to do the entire strut assembly, so it's just pretty much plug and play. Now for the rear shocks, I'll be installing these Monroe Spectrum shocks. And these are just your really basic standard rear shock. So I'll have a description and a link below of all the items that are used in this installation. With that said, let's start brocanicking. Well, both of these struts have been installed. Again, you're going to need to use a floor jack to prop up the spindle here, so that you can align it to fit onto the strut mount here. But yeah, pretty straightforward. All I need to do now is just put these back together and put the little push pin back on there on both sides, and then move on to the rears. Let's keep mechanicking. Okay, so rear shocks are installed on both the passenger and the driver's side. Really easy to do. You have to remove the fender liner. There's about half a dozen push pins and a couple of T20 screws, and a 7mm screw here as well that needs to be backed out. But other than that, two 18mm bolts, one up here, one down here, and you do need to put a floor jack on the bottom here to push this upward so you can line up the shock and the shock mount. So yeah, pretty straightforward. All right, gang, all that's left to be done now is just put the tires back on, torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, and that's pretty much it. So I'll have a link in the description below of the items that I used in this installation, and if you guys have any comments, please do in the comment section. I'll try my best to get to those comments. I have a few more things coming around the corner, and until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.